UMLA kamu kayau ba Nujorki Sungoh hakikanta keli jang kayeng dor bar thau an ka jela ulabu jing keli ka Sorkar halor ka jing terwa ban kentiu kerdan no ya ka Laskein block shaka Laskein block civil subdivision habaju bab halor kani usumbut menteri rangba ka jela ba prestun tensong ula ong ba yakni ka kam ka Sorkar jela kadang bishar benya yakani keju bab uba prestun ula ai halor ka jingdawa bawanra da UMLA ka mau senram ba olan suin.
So we move on to the next question about Nujorki Sungoh. Sri Preston Tensong, Deputy Chief Minister in charge, to whom to reply, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to third question 3. Sir, the matter is under examination.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. One question I would like to know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, sir. Since I've been raising this question since 2018, and I've got the same reply, sir, that the matter is under examination. So may I once again know, sir, what are the matters that needs to be examined so that we can create a civil subdivision in Laskein block, sir?
Sir, why I reply that the matter is under examination? Because, sir, creation of new civil subdivision or district has to be properly examined by the government, and especially it relates to quite a number of departments of the government. And for the information of the honorable member, the questioner, in fact in 2021 we have written a letter to all the department concerned to submit all the details for consideration of the creation of civil subdivision, and few department has submitted the clarification, and also more of them are yet to submit the detailed report. And thereafter, sir, again, one standing committee headed by the Chief Secretary will again, once the report is collected from all the concerned department, and all this report will be again sent to the standing committee under the chairmanship of the Chief Secretary, and thereafter the committee will put up to the government for final decisions.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to bring to the knowledge of this House that Laskein block is one of the oldest blocks in the state as a whole, sir. It was, Laskein block was inaugurated in the year 1973, sir. Until now, we are having a population of not less than 1,25,000, and that also as per Aadhaar enrollment, sir. And the total number of households is more than 15,000, and the area which Laskein block covers, it is more than 500 square kilometers. So, looking at all these basic requirements, we feel that Laskein block has fulfilled all the necessary requirements to be upgraded to a civil subdivision. So that's why, sir, I raised this issue and again, and with the hope that the government will listen the cry of the people of our Laskein block, sir. And one more question, sir. How much is the cost, sir, for in 1 year for the cost of creation of one civil subdivision, sir?
Sir, I don't have a detail of the total cost in creation of each civil subdivision. But of course, once the decision is taken for creation of new civil subdivision, we need to also consider the expenditure of creation of posts and creation of establishment or infrastructure in that particular area, and so on and so forth. So I don't have the exact expenditure involved in the proposed creation of civil subdivision, sir. But however, as I've already replied in the very beginning, that the matter is being examined by the government, sir.
One last question, sir.
Okay.
So I would just like to know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, sir, whether is there any specific timeline, sir, that the government set to fulfill the aspiration of the people?
Sir, there is no such specific timeline, but let the government examine the matter. As I've already replied, we are going to again examine very seriously on this petition and the question raised by the honourable member.